video log number 3, and I'll just continue on from where I left from the last video log. And over here you see this is a new page, and this is actually the payments page. And what I've done so far is I've added the pricing to each menu item, and then also a counter variable to count the quantity and the amount of each item when you click it. And then over here it just displays the item name. So then another thing that this page does as well is it calculates the subtotal and the taxes and the final total in Uganda shillings as per my client's request. And what I'm hoping to do by the next video log is to check whether the customer has been here more than twice in the same day or different shifts. And if so, it would apply a 5% discount as like a sort of customer loyalty plan. So to do this, I would have to use some array lists to keep track of all of the names and also a bunch of if statements as well. So another focus for the next log is that I want to have done the daily summary and shift summaries, and so these sections, they basically just keep track of all the orders and they calculate the total amount made from the whole day the program has been run until it is the final night shift is closed. So yeah, that's the end of my third video log. I'm done.